Albert Einstein is widely known as one of the greatest minds of the modern era. His work in theoretical physics, culminating in the theory of relativity, revolutionized our understanding of the universe. But Einstein was also a passionate advocate for world peace. And in his later years, he expanded his focus to include the future of humanity in space. He argued that our species must colonize space in order to ensure our long-term survival. Einstein believed that one day, humanity would have to leave the planet in order to survive long-term. He wrote, "The human race will not remain on Earth forever, but in its quest for light and space will at first timidly penetrate beyond the confines of the atmosphere, and later will conquer for itself all the space near the sun." He envisioned a future in which humanity had spread out beyond the confines of the Earth and had established colonies in space. Einstein argued that space colonization was the only way for humanity to ensure its long-term survival. He pointed out that the Earth was finite and that it was only a matter of time before the planet's resources were depleted. He wrote, "As soon as man has learned to use the energy of the atom for purposes other than destruction, he will have to develop the means to leave the Earth and settle the rest of the universe." In order to make space colonization sustainable, Einstein argued that humanity must adopt a universal ethica that valued all life, regardless of race, religion, or nationality. He believed that this ethic was essential for humanity to work together and share resources on a global scale. He wrote, "The idea of a single world community, based upon the common possession of all mankind, is a prerequisite for the permanent colonization of space and the ultimate realization of man's highest aspirations." Einstein also argued that space colonization must be done with respect for the environment. He warned that humanity must be careful not to repeat the mistakes made on Earth, and that we must use renewable energy sources and sustainable practices in order to maintain a healthy, balanced ecosystem. He wrote, "The colonization of space must be undertaken with the same respect for nature as is demanded here on Earth. The development of a global system of energy sources must be based on renewable energy sources and the principles of sustainability." Einstein's views on sustainable space colonization are just as relevant today as they were when he wrote them. As humanity continues to explore the universe, we must remember Einstein's words and strive to ensure that our space exploration is done with respect for the environment and with a universal ethic that values all life. Only then can we ensure that our species will survive and thrive in the vast reaches of space.